Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on Trading212. So if you want to take profit, first of all we search right here at the home screen for something that we want to buy. So let's look right here, not here. Now let's say we want to create a take profit order on gold. We select now gold. We click here on buy and then right now we fill in how much gold we want to buy. Now I think I want to buy 1k of gold, so we click right here on the double arrows. So now we can fill in the value. So now we fill in right here 1k. And now you see right here 3 options that we can choose, and here standing take profit. So we need to enable right here take profit and fill in right here the price where we want to take our profits. So let's say when the price goes to 5k, he will take the profit of our trade and will automatically close our trade. And you see right here that we will make then around 97 euros of profit. So right now, if I'm clicking right here on confirm buy, we just created ourselves a position right here for gold with a nice take profit. So now when the price of 5k will hit, he will automatically close our trade and we make 98 euros. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.